This incident occurred in the area of 27th Avenue and Augusta Avenue when a man, later identified as Stanley Howard, called 911 and requested police officers respond to his residence. Here's the audio from Howard's first 911 call.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency? Okay, what's the
You get here now, you fucking bitch!
What is the emergency there?
Now! Do you hear me?
Do you have an emergency?
Officer down! Officer down! Officer down!
Okay, why are you saying that?
Do you hear me?
Officers responded to Howard's residence at about 8:20 p.m. When they made contact with him, he was uncooperative and broke a window, injuring his hand in the process. Here is body-worn camera video from the first police contact that night.
It's the Phoenix Police Department. It's the Phoenix Police Department. You want to come to the front doors and talk to you?
Didn't you call us?
No, I did not.
Are you sure?
No, I don't need you. You're a fucking idiot. Get a fucking away from my house. I'm leaving you. I'm leaving this fucking place. Fuck you.
All right, have a good night,
you,
sir.
Pig. Fuck you, pig.
Have a good night.
Fuck you, pig.
Hey, just that boy.
Hey, fuck you.
Have a good night. Come on.
Hey, fuck you, pig. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Wow.
Howard called 911 again as the officers were walking away from his house and returning to their vehicles. Here's the audio from that 911 call.
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
I just got myself, the police were here and the window's broken and I am cut and I'm bleeding. And you're fucking to blame for this, you fucking bitch. I hate women, you what?
Sir, how did you get cut?
Yes, I got my hand is bleeding. And if you fucking come here again, I'll fucking kill you, you know why?
Officers returned to Howard's home about 6 minutes after they left from the first incident, at about 8:30 p.m., to offer medical aid for his injured hand. Again, he was uncooperative. Here's the body-worn camera video from the second contact that night.
We don't know. We're still trying to figure that out. Hey, do you need medical attention? Sir, do you need the fire department?
Get away! You fucking get away!
Sir,
There's
you
blood!
need the
Away!
fire
No,
department.
there's blood! No!
You
No,
don't
you
want
fucking
the
get
fire
away!
department?
Get away, you fucking police department! I fucking ain't kill you!
Okay.
You
No,
fucking
so you don't
bitch!
need the police
You
department
fucking
or fire
bitch!
department.
I hate women! Get the fuck off my property! Bitch, I hate women! Go away, bitch!
Do you not need medical
Go
attention?
away, bitch! No! I don't need anything from you!
Okay,
I
have a good
don't
night.
need you guys either!
Have a good night.
Fucking go away! I'm gonna fucking kill you!
All right.
All of you!
Have a good night.
You fucking idiots! You're fucking stupid!
Bye.
Fucking
He says he doesn't want medical
Fuck
attention.
you! Fuck you! God damn it!
We already did. He said multiple times, fuck you, no I don't.
It's Eddie Griffin! And I want
The Phoenix Fire Department arrived on scene, and officers notified them Howard had refused assistance. Howard continued calling 911 13 more times over the next 45 minutes. Here's the audio from some of those calls. The address has been redacted from all of them.
911, where is your emergency? Okay, what's going on there?
I cut myself on the place where you would commit suicide. My window is broken, and it's the fucking police department of Phoenix's fault.
911, where's your emergency?
I don't talk to a fucking man. I'm gonna fucking kill you, bitch.
Phoenix 911, where's your emergency?
For the umpteenth time, bitch.
Okay. Do you need police or fire?
Everyone. I need everyone. You know why?
Why? What exactly do you need help with?
I'm bleeding.
At about 9:10 p.m., Phoenix fire personnel were dispatched to Howard's home to provide medical aid. The fire department requested Phoenix police make contact first to ensure the safety of their personnel due to the statements Howard made on the 911 calls. Here is some of the audio from police radio communications.
Got a 901 fire staging 921 beat. I need to start for fire staging 901. 921 beat. Alright, 913 Frank's coming from Indian School if there's anybody closer. Fire staging, apparently the guys got combative with the dispatcher on the phone about bleeding hands.
Engine 30 stage for the injured person on.
I copy your stage. I've got some units coming. I'll let you know when it's code 4 for you to roll in. They've been out there already for them so far.
At about 9:15 p.m., officers responded for the third time to Howard's residence. The officer who spoke with Howard, as well as the sergeant on scene, are both Crisis Intervention Certified Officers, or CIT. Officers who are CIT certified are trained in recognizing behaviors and managing situations involving persons experiencing mental crisis. During this contact, Howard tells the officer he has a gun and points an object resembling a handgun at them. Here's the body-worn camera video from the third contact that night.
Stanley, Phoenix PD.
What do you want?
Do you need medical attention? You call the fire department.
I don't know.
Oh, I don't know either.
I got blood over the damn house.
Well, the fire department's here. Can they help you?
No. They're idiots.
Okay, well, why are you calling them then? What?
I'm not calling him.
He's coming over. We're just trying to get you some help, Stanley.
I have a gun.
You have
Put the gun down.
Yes, I have a gun.
Hey, put it down.
Put it down.
Okay, stop. Back off. Back off. Get offline. Back off. Hey, back off. Grab my bunker out of the car. Grab my bunker out of the car. Back off.
Here are 4 other views of the shooting from other officers on scene.
The fire department's here. Can they help you?
No. They're idiots.
Okay, well, why are you calling them then? What?
I'm not calling him.
He's coming over. We're just trying to get you some help, Stanley.
I have a gun.
Put the gun down.
Yes, I have a gun.
Hey, put it down.
Put it down,
Okay, stop. Back off. Back off. Get offline.
After the shooting, officers backed up to a safe location. They believed Howard was still armed with a gun and used less lethal munitions from behind a shield to attempt to gain compliance. Howard did not respond to the officer's commands.
92 Frank, we have a team up here. He still has the firearm. We're going to put some stun bag on him and see if he'll separate and crawl to us. Go ahead, stun bag him twice.
Stand back, stand back!
Okay, go, hit the legs. Okay, Stanley, come to us! Stanley, come to us! Hit him again. Any movement? Did you catch movement? Okay, go ahead. Go cold.
Once it was deemed safe to approach, officers did so with the shield. After confirming he was unarmed, officers moved Howard to a safe location.
Your corner there, we're at 98% clear. Okay, well, let's just stop him and grab him and pull him out.
Officers administered first aid until Phoenix fire personnel transported Howard to a local hospital where he was pronounced deceased. The object used by Howard to simulate a handgun was later determined to be a water